Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue. This is my beautiful wife, Brooke, who's cutting up different vegetables for our menu today. And hey, guess what? Today we are cutting, we're cooking, and we are smoking chicken lollipops. You're gonna definitely wanna stay tuned for this whole video as we show you step by step how to cut it, how to cook it, how to smoke it, and then really just enjoy it. It's gonna be awesome. Let's go. All right guys, welcome back. We are going to show you a step-by-step process on how to simply cut these chicken drum legs. I've got the majority already done, but we're gonna take a basic leg like this. You're gonna need some kitchen shears like this, or a amazing knife like this. And you can do it a few different ways. I've already got it started where you can lay the leg down, use your knife, and just twist as you're going until you cut through to the bone, just like this. Sometimes you're gonna have tough meat, and you can use these shears to just kind of cut through any of the extra skin there. And then you're simply going to push it back like so. And you'll notice a little extra right where your thumb can go, and you're gonna use that to kind of leverage the chicken and put it over the bone, just like that. You see how easy that just kind of came off? It is definitely a little stubborn. That's why I like to have kitchen shears like this to kind of cut right through. Sometimes your thumb will be able to go right through as well, and just take that right off, like that. And obviously when you've got gloves on, it makes it a little bit slippery, and that's okay. Again, use this knife to simply cut through all the extra skin that you don't want, like this. I'm just gonna cut that piece off. There we go. I always have a little trash bag right next to me to be able to take off the extra skin. And then the little pro tip is that once we scoot all this meat down, it's gonna look like a lollipop, but then if you want it to stand up, you could just kind of take this right here and you're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna do it over here, and you can make it stand up like that. Okay, so we're gonna do that one more time. And you'll see, just like that, a little tip off the top helps it simply stand up, and all of a sudden now we have our chicken drums ready to go, our lollipops standing, and now we're gonna season it, and then we're gonna get it ready for the grill. All right guys, well now that we've got our chicken lollipops ready to go, you can see how it looks just like a lollipop. And now we're gonna season this. You don't need a lot, but you can drizzle a little bit of olive oil all through here. Just a dab. I'm just gonna do it on both of these. We're gonna use one hand to kind of rub, and then the other one to simply put the rub on. And today I'm using Meat Church, and if you follow me too much, you know that I'm a big fan of Meat Church. This is the Holy Gospel Barbecue. Come on now, it's gonna be awesome. Get a little close up so you know what that looks like. And now I'm just gonna rub that olive oil around. All right, and now we're gonna season this. Oh yeah, I love the color of the Meat Church, the smell, and the look. And the taste is incredible. Now get the top of this as well. And we're gonna just do this to all of these. I'm not gonna show you all of the rubbing process here, but I'll just show you one, and then we will get going here. Yeah, that is nice and seasoned. Pull that up so you can see how that is seasoned really nice. And we're gonna do that for the rest of these. And then we will put this on the Kamado Joe, and we'll show you another step that you're gonna wanna stay tuned to get it really nice and glossy, and that's gonna be some barbecue sauce they're not gonna wanna miss. So stay tuned for the end of the video as we smoke this, and then we'll put some sauce on towards the end. Hey guys, welcome back. We finished seasoning up these amazing chicken lollipops, and one step that you might want to consider is putting foil on these bones. Some chefs and pit pastors like to do that on the entire bone or the top to help not overcook when you put it on the grill. Some don't even care, so that's optional. That's up to you. You are your own chef in your backyard, so you decide what that looks like. Also, we've got vegetables that my awesome wife cut up, and we are drizzling that with olive oil and using half of the vegetables with the meat church rub and the other half with some salt and pepper. So we are ready to put these on the grill. Let's fire it up and let's get going. All right guys, what we're gonna do now is gonna put these lollipops, got them in this foil container here, and we're gonna put them straight on the grill. Got it the temp up to 300. This should take about 45 minutes. Again, we're gonna go to internal temp more than time, so let's check out the progress. All right guys, now we've got our chicken lollipops up to temperature to the 165 mark. We are now going to take these lollipops and put them into some barbecue sauce like so. And we're just gonna kind of get a good spin around. I'm gonna try not to get the bone so that you can actually eat off this. And we'll let this go on to the smoker for another 10, maybe 15 minutes to let it caramelize. And my friends, it'll be ready to eat. So I'm gonna finish doing these and show you the final product. Well, hey guys, we just finished up making and smoking these amazing chicken lollipops. Let me show you what it looks like. The finished product turned out incredible. Anyways, I am so happy with how these turned out. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, but even more importantly, love for you to comment. Let me know what you thought. Also, if you have done this recipe, I'd love to know what you've learned in making chicken lollipops as well. If you've got some tips, I would love to try that on my next cook, making this for family and friends. Until next time, enjoy barbecuing.